Hey, what's up, Buy Smart family? Welcome back to another episode where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're putting two mini drones head-to-head in a battle of the skies. On the left, we have the Holy Stone mini drone, and on the right, the DROCON drone. Get ready for some epic aerial action. First up, let's talk about the price. Holy Stone mini drone is a steal at just $36. That's right, for less than the cost of a fancy dinner, you get a drone. But wait, DROCON drone rolls in at a whopping $109. Yikes, for that price, it better come with a personal butler to pilot it for you. Now, on to the fun stuff. The Holy Stone mini drone can do toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It's like the drone equivalent of a circus performer, perfect for kids or anyone who wants to show off at the park. Meanwhile, DROCON drone has a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a tiny Spielberg in your pocket. Plus, it offers gesture recognition, voice control, surround flight, gravity sensing mode, custom path flight, and 360-degree flips. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. So if you're into James Bond-level gadgets, DROCON might be your guy. Next, user-friendliness. Holy Stone boasts altitude hold and headless mode, making it super easy for beginners and kids. Even your grandma could fly this thing. Just don't let her knit and drone at the same time. DROCON, on the other hand, has headless mode, one key start land, and altitude hold too. Plus, it has emergency stop to save you from any drone-related disasters. So DROCON is like that overprotective friend who always texts you to make sure you got home safe. Sweet, but a bit much. Let's talk battery life. Holy Stone mini drone comes with 3 batteries, giving you up to 21 minutes of flight time. That's about as long as my attention span during a boring lecture. DROCON drone gives you 24 minutes with 2 batteries. That's 3 more minutes to impress or crash, depending on your skills. And both drones have a low battery alarm, so you won't end up with a drone stuck in a tree like a sad Christmas ornament. Portability is key. Holy Stone is mini and portable, perfect for throwing in your bag and taking anywhere. School, fishing trips, or even that awkward family reunion. DROCON is foldable and comes with its own suitcase. Fancy? It's like the business class of drones, ready for your next adventure. Just don't try to check it in at the airport. Safety first. Holy Stone has propeller guards to protect both the drone and your fingers. So even if you're a klutz, you're covered. DROCON also has propeller guards and is designed to be durable, so you can crash it a few times without turning it into a very expensive paperweight. Reviewers have mixed opinions about both drones. The Holy Stone mini drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it perfect for beginners and kids. However, some reviewers noted issues with durability and outdoor performance. On the other hand, the DROCON drone is lauded for its advanced features and solid build quality, but some users were disappointed with its camera quality and the higher price point. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, fun, and easy-to-use drone, the Holy Stone mini drone is your guy. But if you want all the bells and whistles and don't mind shelling out the extra cash, DROCON drone is your high-tech companion. Which one will it be? Let us know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome comparisons. Until next time, fly smart with Buy Smart. Product links are in the description.